Welcome back, guys, again. Today I'm gonna work on the truck. She's like back there. I'm going to fix the taillights because there's been water getting inside. Let me show you. So this one's still good, but if you look at this one, there's still water in there. God dang. So what I'm gonna have to do is take the two bolts from here, and then the cable that goes all the way to the bottom to the connection down here. Come out. There we go. And let me take this one in. Oh, yeah, that's bad. Get all that water that's in there. That's bad. Of course, she's dead again, so I'm gonna see if I can use the battery from the neon to start the truck. If not, I'll just take this battery to get it charged. All right, let's see. Come on, work. Ooh. Let me try turning off the compressor. There we go. Maybe that'll work. Nope. Alright, well, it's gonna take that battery to AutoZone and get it charged up. Alright, got the battery down here from the other truck. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can get that battery charged. I'm gonna get some cleaning equipment and what else? Oh yeah, the primer and a heat gun. All right, guys. So I went and dropped in the battery, and it turns out I'm gonna do it a different method. I'm not gonna use the heat gun. I'm gonna use the oven to pry them open. So yeah, I'm probably gonna use the oven to open the taillights, and I got some gloves for protecting myself. And in case we do need a heat gun, I got a friend that's got a heat gun. He might let me borrow his, so we'll see. But let's get back home and see if we can pry them open. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna put them in the oven for like 220 Fahrenheit. And I'm thinking I'm gonna remove that, and just all the black, just paint it white. But we'll see. First, I gotta put them in the oven. All right, as you can see, I put them in the oven, and luckily they came apart easily. So there they are. I took the little reflectors from the from here and here. So yeah, we're gonna go to my buddy's house, and he's gonna help me prep them and get them ready for paint. Alright, so here's the aftermarket headlight. I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do all this white. I might leave this black and then do this dechrome it and do white. So what I gotta do is, there seems to be 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws that I gotta take out, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Now we're taking everything apart. We're gonna scuff this, dechrome this, and I don't know yet what we're gonna do about this black stuff, but we're gonna scuff this first. Alright, so as we're prepping up the headlights, here's the one that's been dechromed. As you can see, I've taken all the chrome out. There's the original one, and there's the dechrome. After that, we're gonna tape around, and we're gonna paint this white and this part white, and we're gonna tip that one again and dechrome it.